Hey, hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Can you tell me your technical skill set?
Yeah, technical skill set is I worked on Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, then I know a bit of Angular. I also know Spring. In Spring, I know transactions and all this stuff. So I'm a backend developer by my technical skill set, and I have experience close to 2.5 years.
Okay, so I got your profile for evaluation and I'm going to evaluate you based on your coding skills, especially Java 8. Okay,
Okay.
so I have provided you two lists of integers. Can you take it?
Yeah.
And what you have to do, you have to merge or concat these two lists by using Java 8 feature.
Okay. Perfect. So let me create a new class. I need to get the two list that you provided, and then merge them. Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to write a class quickly and then a main method, which is the starting point of our application. And then I'm going to declare a list of integer. I see there are integer elements in the list, and I'm going to name this as list one. And I'm going to copy your list. So before copying that list, arrays dot as list. So this takes a series of elements and convert that thing into the linked list or the array list. So the numbers I see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is my first list. Similarly, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to make a list 2, and there are a few other elements, which is in the second list we have 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. All right, so I've created the created two lists as instructed by you. So the next step is to merge the list. Am I right in saying this?
Yes, you have to merge or concat these two lists.
Okay, so to do that, I'll use streams, and in stream, there's a method known as concat. So it's stream dot. Before doing that, let me import stream. So from java.util.stream, I'm going to import this class, and after that, there is a method known as concat. Concat takes two streams, stream one and stream two, and gives you a resultant stream which has elements from both the streams. So here I need two streams. So for list one, I'm going to pass this as first parameter, list one dot stream. This is my first stream, and then list two dot stream, which is my second stream. So after concatenation, this will give me a resultant stream with elements from list one and list two. So let me take that in a variable. I'm going to create one more stream. I'm going to name this as full list, and this will have all the elements from list one and list two. So let me go ahead and print it. But before printing, I need to use collect. So let's try to collect. As the concat method returns stream, this is not the actual list. So to get the actual list, I need to use collect method. So full list dot collect, and there is a convenience class known as collectors. I'm going to use that collectors class, and I'm going to use to list. So this will give me the list representation of the stream. And now I'm going to take this into the variable and print it. So this is a list of integer, and I'm going to call this all elements. And let me just go ahead and print it. So as out all elements. So why this is giving, okay, so from full list I need to get the stream. From full list I need to, what is the error? Let me check. The type mismatch cannot cast from object to list. All right, so this stream should be of integer type. If we don't pass anything, it's object type. If we pass integer, then it is integer type. So let me run this. And as you can see, it printed all the elements from both the streams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
Okay, so if you see the list, it contains some duplicate elements, right? 4, 5, and 6. These are the duplicate elements. And in my result set, I don't want this duplicate elements. So can you try to remove these duplicate elements and print only unique elements?
You need only unique elements. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So I can build upon my logic, and then I can make use of all elements list, which has all the elements from list 1 and list 2. And then I'll try to get the unique element out of this. To get the unique element, I'm going to get the stream, and then I'm going to collect this into the set, because set is something which only holds unique element. So let me collect this into set. So again, I'm going to use collectors class, and I'm going to take the representation into to set. So this will give me the result in the form of set, and let me assign this to a set variable, so set of integer, and this will be unique elements. So elements won't be repeated here. ELEMENTS, correct. And now I'm going to print unique elements. Sys out unique uh, elements, and then sys out unique elements. Okay, so let me run this program and see if it gives unique elements. Okay, so it is here we have repeated elements, and here we have unique elements. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now what you have to do, you have to find the number which has highest value, that is 9, and the number which is the lowest or minimum number, that is 1, and print it.
Okay, and I have to do this using Java 8 features.
Yes, you need to use Java 8 features.
Yeah, all right. So what I could do is I have unique element, and the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 9. Let me use unique element list, unique element dot I'll extract the stream which we just did earlier, and there's a method known as mean and max. So mm, to get the minimum, you need to call this minimum method, and you need to pass on the comparator for comparison of the integers. So to pass the comparator, I'm going to declare x1 comma x2. So these are the two numbers which will be compared, and depending upon the comparison, minimum will be found. So this is a comparator that I am trying to write, and I'll just do x1 minus x2. As we all know, comparator returns integer. So x1 minus x2 will return the integer, and based on that integer, stream will be able to find the minimum or maximum. And I'll just do get. Okay. So here it will give me integer element, and I'm going to call this as a minimum, and I'm going to print this out minimum. Okay, let's try to run this and see what happens. Okay, so unique elements, after the unique element we have this as 1, which is the minimum element, and if I want to find the maximum element, I'm going to do this as max and maximum. So this should give me the maximum element. Yeah, it gives minimum and maximum.
Okay, perfect. So that's it from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.